Guys, did you know that low testosterone can affect your energy, mood, muscle growth, and even confidence? But here's the good news. You don't need expensive supplements or steroids. Today, I'll show you 7 science-backed, natural ways to boost testosterone that you can start applying right away. Stick with me till the end because the last tip is one that most men ignore, and it's silently killing your testosterone. Before we start, let me enlist the most common symptoms of low testosterone, so you can reflect and find if you too fall in this category. Without any further ado, let's start with the tips. Tip number 1. Exercise the right way. Not all workouts are equal when it comes to testosterone. Strength training like weightlifting signals your brain to release special hormones that tell your testes to make more testosterone. And if you add high-intensity interval training, HIIT, studies show it gives your testosterone levels an extra boost. So if you're only doing light cardio, it's time to mix in some heavy lifts and sprints. Tip number 2. Sleep like a king. Here's a shocker. Most of your testosterone is produced while you sleep, especially during REM sleep. If you're cutting sleep short, your stress hormone cortisol shoots up, and that kills testosterone production. So aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Your hormones and muscles will thank you. Tip number 3. Eat for hormones, not just for taste. Your diet can literally make or break your testosterone. Protein keeps your muscles strong and your fat under control. Healthy fats like omega-3 and even cholesterol are raw materials for making testosterone. Micronutrients like zinc and magnesium act like spark plugs for your hormone factory. Not consuming enough of these micronutrients can lead to a number of health issues, including lower testosterone levels, lower DHT levels, low sperm count, and impotence. So, ensuring a zinc-rich diet will not only help boost testosterone levels in the body, but also help reduce the risk of developing other health conditions. There are several foods that boost testosterone production in men, as they are good sources of important micronutrients. They include leafy green vegetables, seeds, nuts, figs, dark chocolate, etc. Tip number 4. Avoid stress. It is a well-known fact that stress can lead to elevated levels of the cortisol hormone. Sudden elevation in cortisol levels is a common reason behind lower testosterone production, and a number of other health problems as well. To maintain good health and optimal testosterone levels, it is important to minimize stress. So next time you eat, think of it as fueling your testosterone, not just your belly. Tip number 5. Lose the extra belly fat. Here's something most people don't know. Excess body fat converts your testosterone into estrogen. Yes, the more belly fat you carry, the lower your T levels go. Visceral fat also causes inflammation and insulin resistance, both of which crush your testosterone levels. So losing weight isn't just about looking fit, it's about keeping your hormones young and strong. Tip number 6. Get more sunlight. Vitamin D isn't just for bones. It acts like a hormone booster. When you get enough sunlight, your body produces vitamin D, which directly supports testosterone production in your testes. If you're indoors all the time and cannot afford the sun, consider a safe vitamin D supplement. Think of it as sunshine in a capsule. Tip number 7. Cut out the testosterone killers. This one's simple. Smoking and drinking destroy testosterone. Alcohol raises oxidative stress, and smoking reduces hormone signals from your brain to your testes. So if you're serious about your health and energy, cutting these habits is one of the fastest ways to protect your testosterone levels. So there you go, 7 powerful natural ways to boost testosterone without fancy pills or dangerous shortcuts. Which of these tips are you already doing? And which one do you need to work on first? Comment below. I'd love to know. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, share this video with a friend who needs a testosterone boost, and subscribe for more science-backed health tips every week. Until next time, stay strong, stay happy, and keep those T levels high.